guys, I brought this little WLtoys buggy out for a little spin, and I'm gonna tell you, man, this thing has a really sweet build quality to it, man. Really nice, real nice. The thing I like about it has that little wheelie bar back there, so I'm going to take it out here. I've not had it out yet because, of course, you know, I live in the city with the worst weather in America. So that's the reason. And I got me a set of these for those dastardly pins that I hate. I can't stand them things. Oh, so bad. Well, let's give this thing a little whirl and see what it does. I'm sure it'll be faster than those some of those other rock crawlers and all that crap I had out here, so we'll give it a shot. Oh yeah, oh, that thing is awesome. Clear the deck when I come out to do this, because I don't think it didn't hit this one, but it hit some kind of rock or something over there. But I guess even a little obstacle at that speed is gonna send that thing off the edge. Oh, it's very fast. I mean, real fast. I think Dave has one of these. Northwest Oz, I think he has one too. What was that little thing that hit there? Oh yeah, that thing is nice. Real nice. I'm gonna have to take this over to that new place I found behind them old factories, because they got a lot of pumps and whatnot over there. I just wanted to get my feet wet with this thing, because I've actually never had one of these. I've never actually had one of these good cars. This is the first time I ever drove one of these good ones. This thing's nice, man. Real nice. Let's take it over here and see how it goes in the grass and all that crap. Yeah, this thing is nice as hell, man. I'm really impressed with this thing. Oh yeah. Give an amateur a little leeway. I don't know if they call that bashing, but I call it crashing, okay? The tires on this thing are extremely grippy. They're soft, real soft foam, or not foam, but they're real soft rubber. The battery ain't even that big in this thing. It's only got a 500 in here. I mean, it's so, the acceleration on this thing is so fast. it's very easy to lose control of this thing, you know, because the steering is a little twitchy. So, and me having zero experience with these types of vehicles here, let's do a little flat out up the hill here. I think I'm gonna have to find maybe a different kind of surface, or I'll just ask Steve what kind of surface he recommends for this thing, because I'm not sure, because, you know, like I said, I don't really know about these things that much, but I wanted to get into them a little bit because I see Steve having so much fun with them, so I figured I'd give it a shot. You might have to have a little bit of a smoother surface. Seems like it goes good in this. When it hits these little mulch spots, it'll start doing fishtails and stuff like that. So if you had like some dirt, you could probably get some action going. The only thing I don't like about this thing is that switch down here, the on-off switch. It's very susceptible to, if it was damp out here, I'd probably put a little piece of tape over it, but it's not wet, so alright guys, I don't know what the run time is on this, but I'm not going to just sit here and run it till the battery's dead. It only has a 500 milliamp hour battery in it. So far it's run for a pretty damn good long time. I'll have to go home and clean it up and do all the maintenance, do all the oiling, and like I said, I just get a hold of Steve. He can tell me what I need to do to maintain it and all that crap. It's sweet, man. And I'm only going, I mean, I'm barely touching the throttle with this thing, believe me. I hardly have the throttle pulled in. Oh, a bike rack. That's always a good one. We'll wrap it up here. I'm not going to run it until it's got all-wheel drive. I'm not going to run it till the battery goes dead. It's all full of dust and scuffs and all kinds of crap. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. You guys have a nice day.